Welcome to Divya Tekar. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my video, do share with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the regular updates. So let's get started. I'm having this raw silk with me. It's already folded from both the hands, but if you are having a fresh cloth, you can fold with your iron and take the size of your hand for the measurement, and then you can fold from both the sides and on the both the other corners too, to get a proper finishing. Otherwise the threads will remove out and it will look shabby. So I'm folding the other two corners too. For the tying purpose, now I'm taking a red wool. I'm using glue gun to stick my cloth, but you can use fabric glue or any fabric glue if you are having that, but I'm not having fabric glue, so I'm using a glue gun. This is the way we am getting my base ready. So our base is ready. Now let's start with the decoration part. I'm already having this diamond shade with me. It's having a base with plastic. I'm using this for the decoration. I'm sticking this with the glue gun on the fabric, as it is a plastic on the back side, so I'm using glue gun. So very fast and quick our decoration part is done. Now I'm tying a knot on both the ends. So our first pattern of Rakhi is getting ready. For the second design of Rakhi, I'm using my half pearl beads. I'm sticking this with the glue gun, but you can use the fabric glue, and that is the fabric glue will be the best for that. And designing is endless. You can create your own design pattern and then you can stick. So the second Rakhi is also ready. Now moving toward our third design. In this design, I'm using diamond and half pearl white beads, both together. First diamond and then beads, diamond and then beads. According to this, I am arranging my design. Hope my video are clear and easy to understand. If you like it, do comment us, and if you are making something similar to it, please do share with us. Handmade products are always special, so in this Raksha Bandhan, make something handmade Rakhi and celebrate your Raksha Bandhan. Do share with your friends. Thanks for watching.